That was fun, man.
Yes,
Zero.
yeah.
Okay, now it's rolling.
All right, folks, we got a big 3-pound fight in the arena. We got Mag on the purple corner, and in the yellow side we have Krusher. Be a big fight. All right, got 3 minutes on the clock. Ready to start. All right, yellow side, are you ready?
Yes.
Derek, are you ready? Yeah. All right, we're gonna start this match in 3, 2, 1. Fight, robots, fight! All right, massive for massive. See if he can get around the opponent. Struggling to stand up. Another massive hit from there. All right, folks, exciting 30 seconds start to this match. All right, we got a nice pin from Krusher. And he let that go. He had 10 seconds to hold that. All right, does Max still have weapon? We don't know. Let's try to spin it up. All right, Mag is up, has gotten a pin. Released it, unfortunately. All right, Mag has pinned Krusher once again, trying to spin up his weapon. Looks like he might have a failed bearing there. Oh, it's gotten some signs of life. All right, let's see what we get. Ooh, nice hit from Krusher. All right, looks like halfway through this match. Minute 30 on the clock. Let's see if Mag can secure the. Krusher's trying his best to get.
Tap out.
Tap out. Tap out. Mag secures the victory.
Mom, there's no winning that.
Fell out of the arena.
Cool.